Good morning, everybody. Principal Dr. James T.A., members of the management, staff members, dear parents, and students. I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you to the orientation program of grade 6. Our young little kids who would hop around the entire school until recently have suddenly shot up, not only in height, but also in intellect. Congratulations, dear parents and students, for having another milestone achieved in lives. This turning point is now taking our young little kids towards becoming more responsible and self-sufficient individuals. Moving into the lower secondary, these young individuals will not only be more independent, but also increasingly involved in activities away from the family. But that does not mean that they get detached from you and the family. On the contrary, this turning point in their lives is a time when they will need you the most. Whatever you do as parents, however you act, is going to have a very strong impact upon them, and they will be influenced by the environment around them. Since you will continue to be the most influential person in her or his life, we would urge you to nurture them with extra love and care, especially in these years where they experience psychological and physiological transformation. Your interest, dear parents, and your involvement should continue in a very positive manner and should be limited only to a certain extent and where required. Yes, overprotection now, cushioning and defending them now will only cripple them and instill a sense of weakness within them. Dear parents, help them believe in the value of education, being enthusiastic learners, and to achieve academic success. Let them be inspired by their seniors who have been world toppers in DPGA all these years, and let them have higher aspirations for themselves to know that they can go beyond the expected target, not only in academics, but also otherwise. These kids who are in their pre-teens now will have these 3 years in the lower secondary before they appear for their first international board examinations in grade 8, the checkpoint exams. We, the facilitators, these students are seekers of knowledge, and you, the parents and their strength, when we combine this existential grace of God, what stands prominently in the way of these young individuals is how they have been shaped and made into what they are today by all of us, especially their teachers who play a major role into their lives. My heartfelt gratitude towards these teachers who work selflessly, unconditionally, and lovingly so that their students turn out to be successful businessmen, to be successful doctors, to be successful teachers, engineers, and above all, they turn out to be very good human beings. And thus, with the academic skills, these teachers instill values in them constantly. My heartfelt gratitude to you too, dear parents, in supporting us and helping us shape these divine souls into beautiful and intelligent young individuals. We have paid very careful attention into their growth and development so far and will continue to do so. There are 2 reasons behind this. One is because we love them very much. And the other is because these habits and the behavioral patterns that these students will develop into this very important epoch in their lives are going to remain with them throughout their lives. Thus, consistent acknowledgement and reward of their efforts is one thing that we never forget, and neither should you as parents. All these will help you and your children successfully weave their way through the maze called the lower secondary. Dear parents, always remember, none of us have been perfect at their age, and neither are we now. And that is precisely the reason that our children need our constant love and respect and lots of discipline in these pre-teen years to become independent, to become responsible and self-sufficient, to succeed in their endeavors in not only in school, but also at home. And the best way to help them in all these aspects of development is to try and ensure that their emotional needs are consistently met. In this regard, dear parents, your understanding, your common sense, your adult judgment, and above all, Your very good sense of humor can make these years in the lower secondary a joy for both you and your child. God bless you and your families. Thank you for your attention, everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care.